Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Bitcoin and what I see in the next few days or in whatever is gonna take. Guys, I don't estimate when the Bitcoin is gonna dump, but we have many news. We have to put it in our calculation and consider it is really bad news. It's no good news. Please, guys, understand it's a matter of time. And of course, I don't estimate when the market will dump, and I don't know, guys, how it's gonna dump. It's not gonna go straight down like that. It could be like this one. I like this one when we went from 42 all the way down to 30. Guys, that was a huge, really beautiful dump, and unfortunately we didn't go all the way up again to, and that's was a really bearish market, bearish sign, sorry. So now we have, like I showed you guys, we have this cross the 50 MA cross the 200. Now we have 100 is crossing the 200, is confirming though we are in a bearish market. And as we see, guys, the volume of the volume on the Bitcoin itself is start dying. We didn't see any push up again, and like it's really hard, guys, to the Bitcoin itself is suffering now. And as you see, guys, Bitcoin went all the way down, tried to go in 3 days, we wiped out everything in one day, and that's telling me something really crazy and not good for the Bitcoin. And I'm gonna talk about technical analysis a lot more because I have more news I want to share with you guys. But before I go, please do not forget to like my video and share the video with your friends and subscribe on my channel to get everything new about the crypto space itself. So here, guys, what I'm gonna see in next few days in the Bitcoin and why I'm bearish. Before I go to the news, I love to review about the market fast and something really important I need to share it with you guys. First of all, as we see, the gas fee of the Ethereum is still low. Yeah, today maybe a little bit high, a little bit, slightly a little bit, but because a couple of days it was like the high gas fee was 9 GWI, which like I believe is like 50 cent or so. Anyhow, guys, we need to look for the top gainers, and look, guys, what is the top gainer? It is the top gainer is DAI, Binance USD, Tether, USDT, USD Coin, Paxos Standard, which is backed, and through USDT, that's a stable coin. Guys, when you see stable coins in the top gainers, what the second thing we know, huge dump is gonna happen. Okay, a dump is gonna happen. All right, and as I told you, I'm not gonna go technically, but the volume is dying, and we have another cross confirming that we are in a bear market. Bear market is a bear market. When we see another cross confirming we are in a bear market, the price is going down, and I believe, guys, we don't see anything go up. But before I go continue with you guys, you need to understand our market cap, the cryptocurrency market cap. It was 2.5 or almost 2.6 is the top, I believe. So I cannot reach it to the top, but let's say 2.6. It went all the way to 1.3. Guys, you're talking about almost the half. The half of the crypto market currency went down. Guys, that's huge. That's not safe at all. I'm, as an investor, of course I'm gonna take my money out from this crypto and get out. And of course, guys, because the Bitcoin, it has a huge effect on the market because it has a big dominance. And I believe, guys, the dominance of the Bitcoin is gonna die sooner or later. I believe now it's it's a bit, it's ranging between 44 to 48, and later, guys, we can see it's gonna go down when the Bitcoin is dump. And I hope, guys, the dominance of the Bitcoin, it can go to 5%, 10%, and the second king who's gonna take the lead, which is gonna be the Ethereum. And while this is explaining to you why Ethereum itself I'm looking for, and how this change is gonna happen, or huge shift is gonna happen in the crypto space in coming weeks or month. And you're gonna remember that, guys. You have to understand, when you invest in something, always is going to be used like supply and demand. And it's like Ethereum has supply and demand a lot, because the demand, because they use it to build the D apps. Most of this coin has been built on Ethereum or ERC20 token, so that's why it's going to go up eventually. But after to that case to happen, we need to see the Bitcoin first go down before it goes up. So anyone is talking to you is like Dogecoin to the moon. There is a manipulation. There is no manipulation, guys. There is nothing. The Bitcoin effect has, or the dominance of the Bitcoin is huge now, and everything is gonna die. Okay, there is no something is gonna go up. Even my Harmony, I love Harmony. It went for 5 for 0.47, yeah, like 0.047 to almost 0.093. Oh my god, guys, that's like doubled my money. If I entered, let's say $10,000, I make $20,000, I get out immediately. But of course, I'm not gonna do that because that's something it is scary, because the Bitcoin it can dump on me. It's not a good play now. And look, guys, if you see the volume here, then institutional were buying. Now no one is buying. It's just only some people play with the margin. Even if you go to the Bitcoin, the volume is dying, and you see the spikes on the red days, not on the green days. And that's telling me people are selling more than are buying. So I need to be careful, and I don't listen like to anyone is like, oh yeah, that's Polish. And more things up before we go and talk to the news. Look, guys, the huge gap between the price itself. Let's go back, guys. Let me go back. Look, guys, the huge gap between the price and the number of the wallet, which has more than 1000 Bitcoin. And look, guys, how is the gap between each other. And look, guys, if we zoom in, I don't see huge jump, like a little bit. I don't see huge jump. It went to like 2136 address, went all the way up to 150. Like you were talking about another 14 wallet. It bought 100,000 Bitcoin. And of course, guys, there is not emotion. That's emotion. The people go to the moon. No, no. So like people buy and sell, buy and sell. So I would like to see that, guys. Bitcoin, this wallet going down, and we're gonna see this huge shift. I believe we're gonna see another dump, and the price will follow with it. So now, guys, if you go back to in 2018, look, guys, what happened. What is the top? Here was the bottom, and the price start to go down, and people start like they thought like the Bitcoin bottomed at 6,000, and actually it bottomed but came back to 3,000. I can't remember what happened to the news, and the number of the wallet is start exceed and run, guys, accelerated, and start buying, went all the way up to again to 13,000, come back, and of course because the corona it came to 5,000, and the number of the wallets start increasing, and then start here in February. February, I believe the Bitcoin was how much? Was if we go a little bit zoom in, and I believe, guys, that was like almost 57, and people sell it at 46 and 57, and it's like, okay, that's too much for me, and that's good, let's make money and get out. And I believe, guys, that is gonna happen. So, and another bad news is coming, guys, because the wallet of the Bitcoin start dumping. I believe there is another bad news is coming, because Grayscale's big BTC unlock is gonna happen in the next few weeks. And what's meaning of that, guys? That's meaning, or the they have 40,000 Bitcoin is gonna be unlocked, and that's meaning it will like the 6 months of the lockup period is gonna end, and that's meaning we're gonna see shift in the trend, or people more gonna sell more than hold, because of course I wasn't be able to sell my Bitcoin now, or my shares now. I will have a time to sell that now. So I believe it's gonna be a big change or big dump for the Bitcoin. Some people are saying opinion is different now. Is like they are saying this can affect or impact the market. Some are concerned that selling pressure will increase, and while others argue that spot market will be probably unaffected. And we don't know, guys, that is going to be in July 18th. Today we talking about like more 4 days, and I believe that is going to be in Friday. So be careful, guys. Do not take anything as a guarantee in the market. We're gonna see upside. No, actually, we're gonna go downside. And here a comment from investor: now have more incentive to buy GBTC shares rather than BTC. It diverted some of the buying pressure on the BTC market, spot market, and actually this is bearish sign. Another thing, guys, I need to share with you, and why I'm telling you why the Ethereum is going to take the lead. Fidelity to hire more crypto hands amid growing institutional interest. Fidelity is one of the biggest brokers in US market, and they are saying indeed institutional interest in Ethereum has been growing since the start of the year, with investment inflow of Ethereum based products even outspacing Bitcoins on some occasions. And that's telling me, guys, they are now looking for crypto or looking for the Ethereum more than Bitcoin, and it's telling me sooner or later the Bitcoin is gonna be flipped with the Ethereum. It has to dump first, and then we're gonna see the Ethereum taking the lead. And of course, when the Bitcoin dump, everything is gonna dump. So that's why, guys, I'm telling you, we are not gonna buy anything now. For myself, I am out of crypto space. If I'm holding, hold a little bit initial investment from the beginning, so I don't care about it. And I know eventually I am investing in good project. I will share this project with you guys in next video. So we have another things that I need to share with you guys. The disk cross, like I explained it to you, here was another article talking about like Bitcoin litless as a new bearish crossover looms, and that's telling me, guys, is like the if we are confirming we are in bearish side, not in a bullish sign. And the other things, guys, I need to discuss about the miners itself, and people talking about the miner and the hash rate and blah 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 blah. Some miners like moved from China, or they're already in Quebec, Canada, and now they are saying why crypto miners are leaving Quebec, and they are said because of the rules and the restrictions that they put in a place. It's very limited growth opportunity in Quebec, at least as the policy currently are. And that's said from Bitfarm's chief mining officer Ben Gagon, Gagnon. So he said it scared the province and the utilities. In 2018, Quebec had to temporarily stop selling power to the miners because the province needed to save electricity for its residents. Demand hasn't slowed since then. Earlier this year, the province asked its crypto customers to lower their energy consumption by 95% up to 300 hours in the winter. Quebec said it needed the power for the heating needed of its residents. I believe, guys, that is gonna take the miners out from the Quebec or from Canada, or any is going to take them to another state. And you know, guys, it's going to affect the hash rate of the Bitcoin itself. So that's something not really good, guys, for the Bitcoin. And with this news too, is going to make the trend is bearish. And I have another thing I need to show it to you guys and share it with you. Is like, if you following Mr. Ware on Twitter, and he said something really amazing. Tether flattening is the end near. He said Tether hasn't printed anything in over 40 days, making its longest stoppage since late 2019, early 2020. That's telling me people are not buying or selling, and that's telling me like no one like there is no money in the street, and everyone took this money. We don't know what is happening, and there's something you need to understand, guys. There is a big suspicious about the tether itself, USDT. They are saying print USDT out of the thin of air and buy Bitcoin with USDT. The price of the Bitcoin goes up, enticing people to buy it with real dollars. Sell Bitcoin for real USD. Print USDT out of thin of the air, and that's the cycle of the tether. And as we know, guys, tether a couple of days ago, or sorry, it's like since 2018, has a problem about we discovered it's not pegged to the dollar, and that's something, of course, telling me I'm really scared about it, and I have to move my money to USD coin. And the other things, guys, Mr. Willa, it has like a Medium page, and I will leave it in the link to subscription. Please read about it, and it's saying 7 false Bitcoin narratives debunked. Please, guys, I'm gonna leave that for you, and in the link, please read it and understand what is happening. Do not follow anyone blindly, even me. In the end, guys, there is a video. I will leave this video for you guys. It's talking about stock to flow model invalidated, and in the article there is a video. I will believe this is the video, so I believe I will leave the link for you guys to watch it too in down below in the comment. And please, guys, make your research and due diligence before you buy Bitcoin, before anyone lie to you, and before someone lie to you. We are bottomed. They were saying we are bottomed when we were at 51. We were saying we are in the bottom. When we jumped here, we said, oh yeah, that was the bottom, that was the end, that is the bottom. And guess what, guys? We went to 30. We are coming back to test 30 again, I believe. I don't think, guys, if we back to 30, I can see a little bump to 32 and go down. I don't know. I don't estimate when the Bitcoin is gonna dump exactly, but it has to dump. And for the news I shared it with you guys, please be careful. And if you liked my video, do not forget to please to like the video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel to get everything new about the Bitcoin and in the crypto space itself. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.